Did you just fart because you blew me away?
So please give with take 3. Arey
My
yaar.
jaws hurt.
Okay, so wow. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and we have a guest today, Bhavna Durgam. She is Miss India Karnataka 2018. Thank you so much for being here.
Thank you
with
so
us.
much for having me. It was so exciting.
Yeah. So a couple of days ago on my Instagram stories, I had actually asked you guys about this poll that we have a very special friend and guest on my channel, and so I asked you guys for suggestions as to what type of challenge you want us to do, and most of you suggested this no mirror makeup challenge, and so that is what we've done. So if you look a little bit of crazy with the makeup going on today, understand, and that is what you're gonna see in today's video. So we've done our makeup without a mirror.
Yeah.
And also I asked Bhavna a lot of juicy questions to make it just like more tea for you guys. Yeah. And so yes, that is what today's video is about. We had a really fun time, and we're still debating on who did a better job. So if you want to see how the whole process went, keep watching.
We did ulta. Okay, you can cut it.
Okay, watch the video this side. Alright, so now we're gonna start with the challenge. So the challenge has 2 parts to it. We made a slight modification. One is we're not gonna use any mirrors, and we'll try not to cheat in that screen where we can see ourselves. You can't use that, okay?
Okay, I promise I won't.
Yeah. And the second thing is we're gonna see who finishes it faster. So it's also like a speed contest.
I'm pretty sure you're gonna win.
I think so too. But let's see the quality of the work that we do.
Okay.
Yeah.
Ready?
So I'm gonna start with primer.
Same.
Good. We have different primers. I think I have the pack one.
And I have the cover
Cover
fix one.
We'll just link all the products down below if you guys want to know what products were used. I think I took too much primer excitement mein, but
I took very little, but that's the good thing when you take less.
haath pe
amount.
laga lo. Okay, what is the most recent memorable dream that you have? Okay,
I'm very bad at remembering dreams because I'm like the type of person who wakes up and
Forgets.
usually forgets unless it's a bad dream, which of course we don't want to share.
do I look stupid?
Yeah, you do.
Okay.
Okay. I'm gonna use color corrector because my dark circles are quite bad. It's gonna be quite a challenge because I do not know. As it is,
Yeah.
I'm bad at this.
Like blending out character already is hard enough, and how much do you put? But yeah, student life, I understand dark circles.
Yes. How I blended it properly.
I'm not gonna tell you. You can't ask me if there is no mirror. What do you do when there's no one around? Like,
There's no one around.
And be very honest.
Usually there's only Nora around, my dog, who you've met.
yeah.
I think I usually put on music in like the highest volume I can and dance around like an idiot. You know, I just wiggle my body and just like free myself up
Nice.
because have I blended it fine? Yours is like actually perfect. Okay, I'm moving on to my foundation. I think you already finished your base, which is
Okay.
looking surprisingly well. Like,
I can't see. Actually, I can't, like, really, I can't see because I have vision. So she dances around. What do I do when.
you're almost always probably home alone. I very rarely get the chance to be home alone.
Yeah, that's
So you
my
must
entire
function
life.
like a normal human.
Yeah, that's my entire life. I'm alone. If you had to get a tattoo, I think you're planning on getting a tattoo, right? Someday.
Yeah, someday I'm
What will you
hoping maybe next year. If so I think maybe a star and a moon, a very miniature. What do you call it? Minimalistic tattoo, and like on my ring.
Yeah.
I mean like
I will look
on my ring finger or on my finger as a ring.
How many kids do you want? Probably there will be no timing to ask this, but like that's the question.
Ideally 2 and 1 guy and 1 girl. I'd like a balance.
2. You have a baby already, Nora.
Yes, I have my baby Nora.
I am way faster than you, dude. Like base is done, powder is done, lip balm.
I kind of get lost when I'm like talking.
Yeah. Okay, since I'm doing this without a mirror, I think I'm gonna be making a lot of funny faces.
I think you're good.
I'm good?
I'm being nice to you, but you're not being nice to me. That's not fair.
Okay.
I
See,
think
when
my
I'm
base is
friends
done.
with someone, I just keep pulling their leg. That's my friendship. So like, well, niceness is for strangers now. Yeah.
Oh, I don't have a mirror. How am I
That's
gonna
the
do
challenge. Okay, I'm gonna do this weird thing, and I don't think I've ever done this on camera. So I don't
I
use
have to
eyebrow gel. So the lip balm that I put on my lips, I'm gonna take this spoolie.
Oh my god, that's. I mean, that's funny.
Okay, that's.
But then I would get.
It serves two purposes in my defense. One, when I use the spoolie, I kind of like scrub my lips.
Yeah.
And I get some of the balm, excess balm on my spoolie. It's my lips,
And it
it's
also
my face.
exfoliates your.
Exactly.
Lips.
Even my balm has like, it's a grainy balm. So like it's anyway exfoliating.
I'm gonna try it now.
It's amazing. It has beetroot in it. It's the Diega beetroot balm. And since I've been using it for like 5 months.
It's half empty. Why don't we show them how much you've been using?
Yeah. It's
That's the state of her balm.
yeah, it's hitting pan. I cannot wait to buy the next one.
If she's using it this much, I think I will be buying it as well.
It's all I say organic, natural beetroot, and it changed the color of my lips. Like I used to have like dark ho jate hain na lips.
Yeah.
Yeah, mine became pinker after this.
That's so cool. Okay, I'll be buying this. I hope all of you
Yeah.
try it as well because
They have a
I
lip
usually
scrub.
no, I usually always buy whatever you suggest.
मैं कब से कर रही हूँ ये eyebrows मुझे नहीं पता मैं क्या कर रही हूँ.
You're actually very good at this. Anyway, I'm contouring my face now. I usually like to contour and like try to like use it as a blush. But then today, because it's a no mirror makeup challenge, I do have a blush with me. So I have to do this without a mirror.
All the best. Contouring is the hardest part for me also in makeup.
No, actually it's very easy for me.
Oh,
Just without mirror, of course,
Uh-huh.
makes it hard.
okay.
And it's one of my favorites because it's so soft and it just like it kind of makes me sleepy.
I think it's a good palette.
This was actually a gift from a friend. It's Ferrarucci. I hope I pronounced that right. Germany.
I think you do your base first, I do my eyes first, and then.
Yeah, we'll switch.
Yeah. You're doing a good job at the contour so far.
Really?
Yeah.
Because I like it.
I'm hoping that this eyeshadow thing that I'm doing works. How will I do eyeliner? Okay, so next question. Who is your celebrity crush like right now?
I have 3. One is Shawn Mendes, and I think I'm obsessed with his song, which is called Wonder, which is his recent album.
I haven't heard it.
You should.
Okay.
Then second is Jacob Elordi. Have you heard of him?
No.
Kissing Booth.
I haven't watched the Kissing Booth. I'm gonna just look up.
How have you not watched? It's like my. I mean, I know I'm almost 24 years old, but
Oh, this guy is cute.
I still like crush over celebrities like a teenager. The second one is
Third
this
one.
Korean. Sorry, the third one is this.
Let me
Korean-
guess. The Crazy Rich Asians guy?
No,
Okay.
he's too old for us. Come on.
It's a crush.
Have you watched What's Wrong with Secretary Kim?
No.
There's I forgot his name. It's PSG. Like they call him PSG,
Okay.
and I forgot his full name. No wait, Park Sejun.
Okay. I'm gonna just put pictures of these guys here. I don't know who she's talking about.
We'll
No.
Google Park Sejun. Like you'll know what I mean.
Park.
He's so cute. He's like the cutest Korean like star. Okay, like this is the show I was talking about.
Just not my type.
I know. No, I'm pretty sure we
He's
have
too
similar
he's
types.
too clean shaven for my taste. Like I need a beard.
All Korean stars are like that. No
Yeah,
one
that's
has a
why I
beard.
just can't. Like chicken
I know.
ladke nahi.
I actually do like Korean stars, but this guy is the only one I've liked. so
Maybe
far.
because of
All
his
them
acting.
look- Yeah, acting and the fact that he was the CEO of a company. I have a thing for like actors who play CEOs and stuff. I do not know why.
Any boys who are listening, this is her type.
It's not safe trying to do like
We don't play safe in life in general.
you just. Okay, I'm not going to say anything. It's freaking me out.
This is just a bad idea.
Just do winged.
As if that's easy. I don't know. Can you see? Is the liner there?
Barely.
So last night I gave my friend like a makeup tutorial.
And no comments. No comments.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
Just finish it.
I cannot use these things. They're so scary.
Then
I cannot even look at you doing that.
How do you?
No. Makeup artists try doing that to me, and I'm like, nope, it freaks me out.
I've worn contacts all my life because I'm kind of used to things poking into my eye.
Okay, the last part of that sentence was needed. Okay, so next question for Bhavna. What is your biggest phobia?
My biggest phobia is snakes. I am shit scared of snakes, and every time I dream about it, every time someone uses the word snake or shows me anything.
Oh, the
which is-
word snake.
Yeah, it freaks me out. I dream. I have nightmares about it.
Tell me, was there such encounters which led to the phobia? I've never met a snake. Met a snake. Who makes a snake?
I have met as an accidentally come across one actually near my house. I do not know what caused it, that fear and the nightmares, but since then I've always been scared of snakes, and even in films and anything on TV where they show snakes, I just can't look. So pretty.
If I think about a phobia, I think tablets. Like, that's not a phobia.
Yeah, I mean-
Swallowing pills, that's the phobia. Like, I think they're just gonna choke. And that's the thing. Okay, so anything small and round, I will not want to put in my mouth. Oh my god, that sounds so wrong. that includes tablets, peas. Any of that Faluda thing that has those balls in it in the bottom. Sabudana.
Sabudana.
All that stuff.
So chia seeds also something you can't.
Yeah, like I just can't put those
This
things.
is an interesting fact. I didn't know this.
Like
about you.
I don't like the texture in those
I
tiny
mean,
balls.
I get it.
I need to stop talking.
Oh god, I do not know how to do this.
Oh.
Okay, I'm just gonna.
Perfect. I love it.
Ah!
Wait.
I feel like I messed up my left a lot, but I'm not gonna change it because I want to see how it looks.
Okay, how much time does it usually take for you to get ready? This should be interesting.
If you want like with full face of makeup, an hour. Only makeup and clothes, an hour probably. No,
Huh?
45 minutes.
A full face of makeup and getting dressed 45 minutes.
Yeah. That's But if I had to do hair, that's when the horror happens, and it takes me at least half an hour to 45 minutes to do my hair alone.
So if you could have a superpower, what would that be? Like if you could just have anything. This is like one of those profile questions on Bumble that you have to fill out.
Why was
So I
I
know
on
why.
Bumble?
I know my answer. Why would I not be on Bumble? I mean, okay, I haven't really opened the app in like a month or so.
I've
But-
never used any. I've not been on Bumble. I haven't been on any.
You haven't ever like done online dating?
No, I've not installed the app also. Like, yeah.
Oh,
like,
okay.
So it's not that I don't want to. It's just I've never found a reason to. I guess.
Okay. Either I've done like too much makeup, which is messy, or I think I've done hardly any makeup. I don't know what's happening.
I'm not going to tell you also. I want you to
fine.
see.
But I'm looking at you and oh, I see some flaws. Okay, go ahead. I mean, it looks good, but then if I look closely, yeah, I can see some things.
So I'm gonna wear a red. I want a red lipstick. I think this will look good. I really love red lip, and I like having like colored liners. It's been one of my favorite things to do, which I couldn't during the pageant. But even now, I have like 30 shades of kajal.
Colored liners is something that I think I would want to experiment with. Just like green, blue, flicks.
Yeah. That
Also,
look
that
really
beauty
nice.
influencer, Deb, she came out with her own line of colored eyeliners. Like you put the brush in it, those pots.
Devashri.
Devashri, right? I just remembered the Deb part of it.
Yeah.
She recently came out, so I was thinking, okay, that's pretty cool. And that's
But don't buy
also
liquid ones. They dry up too fast. This is going to be so awkward. Usually,
yeah, actually applying lipstick without a mirror is. I did not
Hard.
expect it to be difficult, but it sure looks difficult. Okay, what do I do now? Okay, I'm gonna go out after this, and this is the makeup that I'm gonna have. Wow. What's some of the worst pickup lines that you've heard? I'm sure you get a lot of them.
a lot actually. I think the first one that I remember is it's this one pickup line which says, "Did you just fart because you blew me away?"
Why would a guy ask a girl, did you just fart? Like, why?
The second one was, did you fall? Yeah, did it hurt when you fell down from heaven because you're an angel or something along those lines?
That one is cute, okay, fine. I mean,
Not really. It's kind of funny. I feel like it's very unoriginal.
most pickup lines are not original at all, I feel.
Yeah.
Even, okay, so when I was in school, college, in school, I did not know. Okay, so in school, there was this guy who used to like give me chits every day with like a new line. And I was just like, oh wow, like I was not really interested in him, but those lines were something I actually started looking forward to. And then years later, I read those same lines on a Google article somewhere, and that's when I realized, oh, so that guy was not original. All
You
these,
mean like he just copied it from one article?
this was in 10th standard.
Still.
Yeah, but he was
Very
like,
unoriginal.
yeah, but like, I don't blame the guy. 10th standard में वो कर रहा है इतना effort तो ही बहुत किया. I don't blame him. But like years later, I found out that oh, that was not him writing it, and all this time I thought, अरे क्या बंदा है? So that happened. And there was this one Instagram DM that I read once. How much does a polar bear weigh?
Okay.
Polar bear weigh.
Okay.
And I didn't reply to it obviously. I was like, what is this conversation starter? And then so I showed it to one of my male friends. Ki, this I got this message, and why is someone asking me this question? So that male friend told me it's a pickup line, and then if you reply, I don't know or something, then they say enough to break the ice. And so that's how it's supposed to be, like a conversation start.
I'm just very embarrassed. Try to use
How
a
would you
pickup
hit
line.
on a guy? How would you hit on a guy if you had to?
I'd just be like, hey, like a normal conversation starter, and then get talking, and then probably.
But like, how
try
do you
to-
make him understand? Guys are stupid. How do you make him understand that you like him? If he's just not getting it, because guys don't.
That's true.
You know?
That's very true. But
Women
then-
have that radar, although I kind of suck at it. I've been proven wrong a lot of times. But like, I think guys are just like, they just don't get it.
But I felt like all the guys that like me, like that I like and like me back, they usually like
They make
go
the move.
first. Yeah, they make the first move, and that's probably because I'm too scared or like shy to make the first move. So by the time I figure out a plan and have everything ready, they would already like make the move.
Oh.
Which is okay. I'm fine with that.
I'm a bit on the opposite. I have asked out a guy once,
Okay.
but I went back to, like later I told him, okay, I asked you out, but then you also have to ask me out because I do want the guy to make a move. So like for a few months later, I made him do everything again, just for the sake of
That's actually cute. You know, I feel like that should, be how it is supposed to be. Like,
हाँ मतलब I तो
Having
really like
both
chivalry and like gentlemen and
Yeah,
like,
I love
I'm very old
that.
school that way. Like I need you to treat me like ऐसे अच्छे से. मतलब feminism and all is fine, but chivalry is different. I think I still appreciate chivalry.
yeah, so do I. I've always been like a princess at heart. So
At heart, and she's a queen. Yeah. Okay, so now is the time to have a look at ourselves in the mirror, and it's getting dark outside actually. So if the light has changed, just understand. I'm in Bangalore right now, and Bangalore is it's just wintry.
yeah, it's
getting
sun
dark.
sets quite soon.
And so this is the mirror here, and we haven't looked at ourselves.
No.
We're gonna see Bhavna's reaction when she sees her makeup.
Okay, let me see. I am actually very surprised. Okay.
Yeah, that eyeliner.
Okay.
But you've done a good job with the lipstick, and red lipstick is really like particularly difficult to get.
I feel like highlighter is over here
Yeah.
rather than here. The blush is actually quite nice. I'm
Yeah, I actually like her
Surprisingly
base,
happy.
except the placement of the highlighter.
just
The eyeliner.
just the eyeliner, the left side one, that too. I'm quite surprised for someone who's really bad at makeup.
You're not bad at makeup, dude.
Mirrors. No, I am. I mean, maybe not as bad as I used to be, but learning. So now, are you like?
I'm excited and I want to know what
I'm actually quite surprised that you did
eyeliner.
as good as you did.
I have some black thing over here. Oh, this is the mascara. I did feel I put mascara on my. What?
Yeah, you
What?
you didn't get any eyeliner on practically. But your mascara is really nice and your
Oh yeah.
eyeshadow is really nice.
And I've overdone the blush, clearly. This blush is very pigmented actually. I have to be very careful with it.
But I don't think
But
it's noticeable on camera.
I've done a good job of the lipstick.
Yeah.
Huh.
Lipstick is almost, it's actually perfect.
Actually.
Right?
Yeah. I
Surprisingly.
expected myself to look like a complete joker. The eyeliner is a
Same.
bit messed up here. Alright guys, so that was the no mirror makeup challenge along with some really juicy questions. So we found a lot of things about Bhavna today.
And Nikita.
Yeah. And we had a lot of fun filming this challenge for you guys, and this was your suggestion, so thank you so much. And thank you Bhavna for
Thank you
just
so much
being a
for
part
having
of this. Yeah. And I cannot wait to just keep coming back to Bangalore and just
And meeting
do a
you.
lot of YouTube
That's right.
videos with her. Yeah. And hopefully, yeah, by next year Bhavna should also start a YouTube channel. That's the goal.
She will push me, I'm pretty sure.
Yeah, definitely. That would be super fun when we will do like proper collabs.
Yes.
Also, we want you guys to let us know who do you think did a better job. So comment Nikita in the comment section.
Bhavna.
Okay, so we're gonna leave it up to the audience to decide who did a better job. If you guys like this video, please give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Also subscribe to Bhavna's channel, which I will link in the description box below. She's gonna start posting content over there from the next year onwards. I will make sure that happens. And we had so much fun filming this for you guys. We love you guys so much.
Bye.
And we'll see you in our next video. Bye bye.